Hello my friends traders, Carolina is on here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, June 21st of 2011 and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. So hope you're all ready to do some technical analysis here with me, so let's get started. What a beautiful pop we're having here on our daily chart today. Breaking through and breaking actually out of that tight trading range that we talked about here yesterday, which was the low base formation, and we wanted to see a breakout through the high of Friday, which was at the 54.60 mark, as well as through the 8 moving average and the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue. And right now it's sitting at the 54.77 mark, and we have done this today on a pretty decent volume. That's what I mentioned to you yesterday. I wanted to see a spike in volume above the average, and that's what we got here. That's what I really like. And we are also seeing a rise on the MACD with a positive tick, which is a pretty nice confirmation. We talked about the divergence on the MACD yesterday getting ready to pop, and we got that little rise here on the MACD today with an update on our daily chart on the Q. So we are going up here according to our chart as well as according to our MACD, but check this out. We're still below the zero line on the MACD, so be really careful in here. Even though we're heading higher here on our chart, we're still below the zero line. We're getting closer and closer to the zero line, but we're still below the zero line, which means that we're still in the bearish territory according to the MACD. So be careful here. And what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow is, you can see we are popping through and breaking through all major areas of resistance on our way up, and we are getting stopped at this upper area of resistance here, the 55.30 mark, which I really pointed to you yesterday. So what we need to do tomorrow, we need to break through the high of today, which is at the 55.29 mark. We missed it right here. And we made that high of 55.29. We just got really close to the 55.30 mark. So what we need to do tomorrow again, we need to break through the 55.30 mark and then close above it. And from then on, we could continue higher to that next area of resistance up here at the 55.85 mark, as well as then to that next one up above here at the 56.65 mark, and then we could get all the way up to that next major area of resistance right here, the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at the 57.12 mark. So pay close attention to all of the areas of resistance that I showed you here today. But if we get a little bit of a stop right here at this area of resistance, the 55.30 mark, we could form a high base. We will have to see two more candlesticks right here trading between the high of today and between the low of today. The high again, the 55.29 mark, and the low of today at the 54.03. So we need to see two more candlesticks forming here and trading in that trading range. If not, we could get a little bit of a pullback again to that lower area of support down below the 53.75 mark, and then we could start forming a little W in here, so which is a bullish formation. But pay close attention to all of the areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, as well as pay really close attention to the MACD and look for a confirmation with the volume. So hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.